Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a what's in my bag. These videos are really popular on my channel. You guys are some nosy girls, huh? But yeah, so these videos are, really requested. They actually are some of my most watched videos on my channel. So I'm trying to do one like per season. So my last one was my winter one. So now I'm doing summer. And if you guys want to see my fall bag, then definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below. I think it's just really interesting to see what people carry in their bags. I like to know so that if I'm missing something, a lot of the times, like if I watch a what's on my iPhone or what's in my bag, videos like that, I'm like, oh my god, why don't I have that app? Or why don't I have that in my bag? So there are some things missing from my bag that I will mention to you guys. But if you guys like kind of talking videos, chatty videos like this, and just sitting down showing you what I like, what's in my bag, what's on my phone, stuff like that, definitely let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already. If you are subscribed or you aren't subscribed, also make sure to hit that bell because it notifies you every time that I upload, and make sure that you hit all notifications so that you never miss a video. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I think I don't have any updates or anything, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so starting off, I'm going to show you my bag. This is the bag that I have been carrying all summer, even before summer, but as soon as it starts getting hot, this is the bag that I go for. Also, excuse my broken nail. I want to get it fixed, but it's still in like that painful stage where if I go to take it off, like it'll be excruciating pain, and I don't need that. So anyway, back to the bag. This bag is actually from Walmart. I picked this up a few years ago, but I've seen that they have backpacks still at the store, so they have like new backpacks and everything. I just got black because it goes with everything. I really want to get like a camel color. I think that will be great for like fall and like the transition into fall, but that's a story for another day. So it just comes with two pockets here, and in this front pocket I usually just keep my keys and my headphones and like a charger. So these are just my keys that I have here. I have a Penn State keychain because we are. So that's so cheesy. And then I just have a pair of headphones in here. I also have my wireless headphones, but I think they're charging at the moment. And I also have a little, I have a little, what's this called? Wall outlet for my charger, but my charger is actually charging my phone right now, so that's that. I also have my phone right here. This is, I think, the iPhone 7 Plus, yeah. This case is from, where is this from? Five Below, and this pop socket is from Amazon, if you guys are wondering. I just have the rose gold iPhone 7 Plus. So yeah, moving on, that's all I keep in this front pocket here. Usually my phone is in this front pocket as well. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I just shook it. So that is what's usually in the front pocket. I don't keep a lot in there because that's really easy access, especially when I'm like walking in the city. My phone obviously usually isn't in the back pocket when I'm walking in the city. It's usually in my hand or in my pocket. Usually only thing that's in there is my keys and my charger. So moving on to this bigger pocket, this is what this looks like. I just have like, there's a little compartment back here that actually has a panty liner in it. But you never know. You never know. So that's really all I keep in there. I don't keep a lot of stuff in here just because it is such a tiny backpack that it can get weighed down pretty easily. So first things first, I have this wallet here. This is a Kate Spade wallet. Just opens like this. I have a few cards, my license, the whole jizz, the whole jazz. I love this wallet. It was actually a gift from the family that I nanny for, and it was so sweet. It was for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. So I use this all the time, and I think it's a perfect summer color because it's super bright pink. I can spot it in my bag super easily. Absolutely love it. So now moving on to this little guy. This is actually my makeup bag, and this I actually got from Ipsy. This is an Ipsy bag that I got when I was signed up for Ipsy. So first things I have is a little mascara. When I'm on the go, I usually don't have on makeup for the summertime. Honestly, it's just too much hassle, but if I'm going out somewhere, or like if I'm out and then one of my friends invites me to go out somewhere, I think just popping on a little mascara really, really helps. So This is just the Lash Alert Makeup, Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go Mascara. This is by Ico London. I also got this, pretty sure, in an Ipsy bag because it's like a little sample size. This is perfect. I just pop on a little bit of mascara and it's good to go. It's nothing too crazy, but it also just enhances your face a little bit so you don't look so like blah, you know? I also have a perfume here. This is the Bodycology from Walmart. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus. This is my summer scent. If you guys watch my hygiene routine, which is a couple of videos back, I use this body lotion as well, and I absolutely love it. It smells so, so good. It's an awesome scent for summer, and it really lasts. But I also just like to spray myself throughout the day because I love smelling good. So this is a perfect little travel size to fit in my bag. Next up, I just have a wet brush here. When my hair is straight, it loves to just like get really, really wild. So I love to have this on hand. And also, like, you guys can see how my hair is curly right now. I just go ahead and kind of like fluff it up so that it doesn't look so flat. Sometimes, you know, if like I'm laying down or something like that, or my head like hits the back of like the headrest, it like will flatten down in the back, and that's not a good look. So I love that for fluffing as well for brushing. Then I just have a Fenty lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. It smells so good, and it's just like the perfect color. And once again, like I said, if I'm ever out and about and one of my friends asks me like if I want to go to dinner or something like that, summer is so unpredictable. So throw on some mascara, throw on some gloss, and you're good to go. Along with that gloss, I do have a lip liner. This is the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comet. This is my favorite lip liner. I actually have it on right now with some gloss over top. I love this. Paired with the Fenty Gloss Bomb, it's the perfect nude color, and it just looks so good. No matter what makeup I'm wearing, no matter what I have on my face, that lip liner goes with every single look. I have a pair of tweezers just because sometimes I'm wearing false lashes and I need to, you know, fix them, fix the inner corner, fix the outer corner, or whatever. Along with that, I do always carry some lash glue with me because I am someone who, honestly, my go-to look for summer is brows, fake eyelashes, and gloss. So that's usually what I'm wearing. So it's essential for me to have some lash glue and some tweezers in my bag. I have a nail file here just because I get crazy hangnails and sometimes I chip my nails, as you guys can see. So it's just really nice to have just to be able to just file down your nail or whatever. I do have gel on. These are, the long nails are actually my nails, so usually I don't have any problems, but in case I do, it's always nice to have. I have a powder here. This is the Maybelline Dream Wonder Powder. It actually broke, which is really disappointing, but I can just go ahead and fix that up a little bit. But I love this powder. It's so great for on the go because it just adds a little bit of color, and you can use this powder to touch up. I love to use this powder to touch up, and I just have the little puff with it. That's all I use. I don't carry an extra brush or anything like that. No, nothing crazy. So, and then lastly in this bag, I have the Coconut Hibiscus Shea Butter Hand Cream, also from Bodycology. I love to be consistent with my scents, and in the summertime my hands do get really dry, especially touching things and being out and about. So this is an amazing buy, and it's like $2 at Walmart, and you cannot beat it. And it's so moisturizing. It's amazing. I love that Bodycology line. That Coconut Hibiscus, guys, if you're not on that wave, you need to be. So that is all that's in my little makeup bag. I used to have so many lip products that were so unnecessary, and I was like, girl, you need to get it together because you do not need that many lip products for only one pair of lips. Like, what are you doing? So I emptied that out. I didn't empty it out recently, as you guys will see. I have some receipts in the bottom of my bag. This one is just from my bank, and then this one is from Walmart, and then this one is also from my other bank. So that's all that. As you guys saw, I had the panty liner in there as well. So now moving on to these two little pockets in the front right here. I'm trying to show you guys. There we go. So in this first pocket, I have a little bit of the, this is a coconut, why can't I talk? Coconut water hydrating mist. This is awesome for just like spritching your face throughout the day if you're hot. or just even spritzing your body. This is the spray that I use at night to kind of just like hydrate my face and moisturize my face. I absolutely love it. This is a staple, especially for summertime, because you get super hot and super dry, so I love that. And then I also always have mints or gum with me. These are the Icebreakers Cool Blast. These are like the chewy kind, so like they're not gum, but they're not like mints. So like you suck them, but like they just disappear, but you can chew them too. I don't know how to describe it, but I love these. They're super good. And then I have, of course, my favorite lip balm, as you guys can see, because it is almost out. This is the Mentha Lip Shine from Bath & Body Works. This is the pink mint flavor. I actually have to get more of these because this is my last one and I'm all out. So if you guys have trouble with dry lips and chapstick doesn't work for you, Carmex doesn't work for you, I really suggest going to Bath & Body Works and trying these out. They're super moisturizing, do not dry out your lips at all. And like it's almost like a gloss instead of like just like a chapstick, so your lips look super juicy and super plump, and I absolutely love this. This is one of my staples in my bag. I have one in my bag, in my bathroom, and on my nightstand. That's how obsessed I am. Moving on to the other pocket, I have some gum, as you guys can see. This is just extra gum. I actually got this gum in Ireland. It's like different. It's like extra, but like the little tablet form. So I really like that. What else do I have here? Oh, and I have some Dayquil. So just in case I start feeling sick throughout the day or something like that, I have something to make sure that I don't get sick because I'm around children a lot. So just to, you know, make sure. So yeah, that is all that is in my bag, guys. I know this was kind of short and sweet, but for summer, I don't like to have a lot on me. I also, wow, really New York. I also like to have 2-strap bags so I can just put it on my back and don't have to worry about anything on my shoulder or, you know, like carrying a bag like on my arm, because it is just way too hot in New York for that. It's super humid, super hot. It's just not the wave for me. So having this on my back, I'm hands-free. I can pick up, do whatever with my hands, and it's super, super, super awesome for me. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, definitely let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Let me know what's in your bag. What am I missing? I know I'm missing blotting sheets because I haven't bought new ones because I ran out, because your girl is a oily faced gal, so I go through blotting papers like that. But yeah, I usually always have a water with me because I'm a thirsty girl as well. So I think that's all that's missing from my bag. But yeah, let me know what's in your bag, and I think that's all I have to say. I'll talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.